Today we are going to make one of my favorite versions of brownie. It's going to be super chocolatey with a surprise of gooey marshmallow fluff all over the top. I'm Chef Kirti Labra and this is my Bake Along series where we bake simple everyday recipes. So as we are making marshmallow brownies, we'll start by making some luscious marshmallow fluff, which we will use to create a beautiful swirl over the batter. Now if you are new to our channel, make sure that you are subscribed and have hit the bell icon so that you can be updated with all our upcoming recipes. So let's begin. Now for the fluff, we'll start by placing water, sugar and corn syrup in a heavy bottom saucepan. We are going to heat this until it reaches 115 degrees Celsius, which we are going to track with the help of a kitchen thermometer. So I'm going to continue to boil the syrup till it reaches 115 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, let's beat our egg whites. Along with the egg whites, we'll add some lemon juice. Now the reason why we are using lemon juice here is to prevent the egg whites from deflation. Within a few minutes of whipping, you will see that we have a beautiful fluffy egg white meringue ready. So our syrup has reached the desired temperature and our egg whites are also ready. We'll now gradually add the syrup into the egg whites in a slow and continuous flow. Here make sure that you are not pouring too much of syrup at once, as that can deflate our fluff. Lastly, we'll add in some vanilla essence and give this a good mix. And with this, our marshmallow fluff is ready. I'm sure you can see how glossy and creamy it looks. I'm going to keep this aside and start with our main brownie batter. So this is a very simple, classic eggless brownie batter recipe that has high ratio of sugar, fat and chocolate, making it the ultimate chocolate indulgence. So let's start by melting our butter along with both the sugars. Here we are using castor as well as brown sugar. This duo helps in getting that fudgy brownie texture. We'll be heating this in the microwave until all the butter turns liquid. Next, we are going to add curd and condensed milk. So now through a sieve, we are going to add in our dry ingredients, starting with the all-purpose flour. Followed by cocoa powder, salt and baking powder. We are going to mix this until a thick batter is formed. Now to make this thick batter a little smooth, we are going to add in some milk. As you can see, the texture of our batter has changed. Lastly, we are going to add some chopped chocolate to get that rich chocolatey flavor in the brownies. As our batter is ready, we'll now pour this into a 6-inch prepared ring. The ring I'm using here is already covered with cling wrap. We have placed a sheet of butter paper at the bottom, while the sides of the ring are brushed with vegetable oil. Lastly, we are going to pipe blobs of marshmallow fluff, and then with the help of a toothpick, we are going to create some swirls. With this, our batter is ready for the oven. We'll bake these at 180 degrees Celsius at the low rod mode for 25 to 30 minutes. So our brownies are out of the oven and they have completely cooled down. As you can see, they are looking absolutely delicious. I can't wait to try these with a cup of hot coffee. Make sure that you serve these while they are warm, and I will see you next week with another tutorial.